Hi guys, it's Gav here up on the hill. I'll just show you what's going on today. It's a mist out. A bit of a mist out, and it's raining. So I just wanted to share with you some pointers on heart thinking, which is one of the most powerful things you can work with. And one way of doing it is to focus on an object. It's easy to do it on a pencil or something like that. Something not too complex and physical. Just gonna have to clean the screen. It's getting a bit wet. So yeah, focus on the object, and that does a lot. You think it's not doing anything, but actually it does quite a lot. It gets you to not notice your associations with thoughts. So quite often we jump to kind of conclusions instead of exact sensing the object and saying exactly what we're saying. And this can cause disturbance in the heart force. It can kind of get you into that feeling realm of discomfort and confusion and illusion. So it's a really good one. And I'm actually going to have to leave it there because it's a bit wet. I'll just wipe the screen one more time. So the next stage from that is to take a thought and work with that in a loving way, holding it. Not jumping to conclusions in relation to it, just holding it the way it is and letting it kind of show you what it's trying to show you. So kind of seeing what the living quality is behind it. And these two are great exercises, highly recommend them. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll leave you from this misty abode in the hills. Just show you what the scene is now. Yeah, the rain's picking up a bit, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye just now.